Yo, what up? My name is Vladimir Riché from ChaseandRider.com, and welcome to Just My Thoughts Thursday. In this video, we're gonna do an unboxing on one of my favorite pair of shoes, CARMINA Double Monk in brown suede. Run my intro. You should come rolling my shoes. If you know me, you know that I really love shoes. But every time I see this box, I know there's something special in it. As you can see, it says CARMINA Shoemaker on the side. This is the item number, my size, the last that the shoes are made on, which is the rain, and of course maroon is the color of the suede. And without further ado, let's get into these shoes. The shoe comes with two beautiful red bags. And we have the brown paper. Wow. As you can see, this is a beautiful pair of shoes. To me, shoes is the most important part of somebody's outfit. And if you really know me, you know that I really love suede shoes. I love regular leather shoes as well, but suede shoes hold a special place in my heart. It's really for the guy that's really into shoes. Most guys are not really going to buy suede shoes. They're not really into it. CARMINA is known for their suede. CARMINA suede is up there with shoes that cost twice as much. You can see why. This is a very rich suede. It's very versatile. You can wear it with a suit, like I'm doing right now. I'm actually wearing suede right now as we speak, and you can definitely dress it down as well and wear it with denim. In this case, this is a double monk strap. A monk strap is a shoe that's a little bit less formal. It's more of a casual shoe. Whenever you have shoes with no laces, that pretty much tones down the seriousness of the shoe. I really love this color. I like a darker brown because a darker brown is more versatile than, let's say, a lighter or mid brown, because a darker brown goes with every shade of gray and every shade of blue, which is what you're probably mostly going to wear anyway. This is made on the rain last. This is probably CARMINA's last that they're most known for. It's a very soft square, as you can see. And one thing about the rain last, if you have a high end step like I do, it does give you a little bit more room compared to, let's say, the other popular last like the Simpson or the Anchor last. Usually shoes with laces, depending on how high your instep is when you wear it, there might be like a wide V at the top. But with a monk strap shoe, it doesn't really show because once again, there's no laces. It's a beautiful Goodyear welted shoe. Once the bottom wears out, you can easily replace them. I was looking online, I couldn't really find a good unboxing video of a CARMINA shoe. So I figured let me make one. If you want to see me do more of these videos, let me know in the comments. And yeah, I can't wait to wear these shoes, man. So that was the unboxing of my CARMINA double monk strap suede shoes. Hit the thumbs up if you like this video. Subscribe, or everybody gonna think that you're a hater. And I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.